We have introduced children to place value through a story. Similarly, the number 23 number. Let us see how to place it by using a place value mat. In 23, we have 2 tens and 3 units. Let us keep 3 units here and 2 tens here. This way, we can teach them to count different numbers. Later, how to represent this? In the representational form, how to write this number in a square-lined book? Let us see. Now, through the story, we got introduced to place value. That story can be used to introduce representational form also. While conversing with the children, make them draw these rooms on the board. Now, the first house is of units. Let us write units. Then it is tens. Let us write it as 10. How many tens are there? We have 2 tens. 1 10, 2 tens. How many units do we have? In 23, there are 3 units. Here, in the 9 boxes, you can write anywhere you want. There is nothing like you have to write it here only. Some children write it one after the other. That is also okay. One child might write one here and one here. That is also okay. Similarly, while writing, we write 23 like this. First, we write the tens place and later write the 3 units later. But while solving problems, most of the problems, we count units first. There are debates about this sometimes. Why to write units first? Why can't we write tens first? Once we know how many tens are there and how many units are there, while writing, we can write it in any order, nothing wrong in it. Here, while representing numbers, while doing additions and subtractions, how to use this we'll see later. Here, it can be written in any way. Totally, the quantity of the number should be shown correctly in representational form. Now, we wrote 23 here. We have seen it written in the textbook. How do we transfer it to the table? Let us see. This is units place. This is the place of tens. In the units place, we have 3. In the tens place, we have 2. We won't write it as 20. We write it as 2. In the units place, it is 3. This is how we show 23. Now, we kept 23 here. Concrete, representational, and abstract. In all these 3 forms, children should be taught. That is our opinion. For first and second standard children, we can teach numbers 1 to 99 like this. Let us move further.